Assalamualaikum dear students. Good morning. All of us are fine and are doing well. Today we are going to learn about the poem Car Driver. The Car Driver poem has been written by the Dogri poetess Padma Sachdev. She has written it in Dogri language. The poem has been translated into English by Dr. Karan Singh. Okay, dear students, let us have a brief introduction about the poetess Padma Sachdev. Here is the pic. Padma Sachdev, born on 17th April 1940, is a prominent Dogri poet and short story writer. Her writings have given a new facelift to Dogri literature. She has been widely read and acknowledged in the literary circles. She has written about women related subjects, nature, and human emotions. Her poetry is intensely emotional. She was awarded 1971 Sahitya Academy Award for her collection of poems Meri Kavita Mere Geet. Her short stories have also made a mark in the field of Dogri literature. Besides 5 anthologies of poetry, Padma has penned for Diwan Khana and Mitwagar. Painful experience in Chester Disease Hospital, Srinagar, enriched the poetess emotionally and intellectually. Now we will start the reading of the poem Car Driver. In the fearful silence of the forest, I heard the sound of paws of a careful bulbul out in the night, shaking the feathers on his head to find food for its 4 little ones, hungry in the nest, moving slowly, afraid its ears break to be some sound somewhere. With a grin in its beak, it hastens to the nest. Its twittering fledglings do not know the forest is in the throes of fear. They continue chirping. The bulbul trembles, moves with his head raised, alert all ears. Suddenly, there is a sound of weeds, the sound of dry leaves crackling, the sound rising and subsiding. The bulbul hides itself in the bushes. It sees a block laden with goods. Blocks moving by themselves. Head is down, the driver is asleep, snoring, eyes covered with the head of his turban. What if the car stumbles? The car driver's hook overturns. The forest catches fire. It imagines the forest on fire. Wishes to run towards its nest to save its young ones, but cannot lift its legs out of fear. Here we have the central idea of the poem. This poem is about the love a mother has for her children. It is an atmosphere of mystery that creates fear and dread. It is tussle between love the mother has for her own self and also for her children. Here is the summary. The poem Car Driver has been penned down by Padma Sachdev. The poetess says that in the darkness of night a bulbul is looking for food for its 4 little ones. It is moving. It stops very cautiously. On hearing a sound, the bulbul gets unstable. It wants to reach its nest quickly with a grain in its beak. A black cat passes through the forest. The bulbul hides itself in the bushes. The cart is moving, but the driver is asleep. The bird imagines that if the hookah overturns the forest will catch fire. The bulbul wants to fly to its nest, but it is not able to lift its legs out of fear. Here we have some words and phrases with their meanings used in the poem. Let us see their meaning. Prick, raise the ears. Hasten, to make haste. Twitter, sing like a bird. Flashlings, young bird in the throes. Experience something which is difficult or painful. Trembles, to shake. Alert, active. Crackling sound of noise. Subsiding, falling down. Hide, conceal. Laden, full of snow, to breath in a very noisy way. Stumble means fall. Okay, dear students, thank you for watching this video.